Nestled on the edge of a vast forest, where the towering trees stretch to the heavens and the air hums with the sounds of the wild, there exists a magical place known as the Living Treasure Animal Park. It's not just a zoo, but a sanctuary, a place where animals from all corners of the world live freely and are treated with the utmost care and respect. The park's name, Living Treasure, came from the philosophy that every creature, no matter how big or small, is a precious treasure, deserving of a life full of freedom and dignity. From the moment visitors step through the gates, they're not just entering an animal park. They are stepping into a living, breathing ecosystem that tells the story of our planet's wildlife. The heart of the park, the Savannah exhibit. One of the most breathtaking areas of the park is the Savannah exhibit. The landscape here is vast, with golden grasses swaying in the breeze and acacia trees dotting the horizon. It's an African-inspired paradise where lions, giraffes, and zebras roam together in harmony. The lions, majestic and powerful, laze under the shade of a tree, their golden manes catching the sun. They have their own space to roam, allowing them to act as they would in the wild. The park's staff works tirelessly to ensure they have the same sense of freedom they would in their native lands. Visitors often stand in awe as they watch the giraffes graze on the tall trees, their long necks reaching high into the canopy. The zebras, with their black and white stripes, roam in small herds, communicating with each other through soft whinnies. The bond between these animals is tangible, a testament to the park's commitment to fostering natural behaviors. But the real magic of the Savannah exhibit lies in the way the animals interact with one another. Predators and prey live side by side, not in fear or competition, but in a peaceful coexistence that showcases the beauty of nature when given the chance to thrive. The rainforest, a symphony of color and sound. On the opposite side of the park lies the rainforest exhibit, a world that feels like stepping into another realm. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and tropical flowers. Brightly colored parrots squawk in the trees, their feathers a brilliant splash of reds, yellows, and blues. The trees are alive with the sound of howler monkeys swinging through the canopy, their deep calls echoing through the dense foliage. In the underbrush, sloths move at their slow, deliberate pace, their long claws gripping the branches as they take in the lush surroundings. Frogs of every color imaginable leap from leaf to leaf, their calls a chorus of croaks that fills the air. Jaguars, with their golden coats and black spots, slink through the shadows, their eyes glinting with curiosity as they observe the world around them. What's most striking about the rainforest exhibit is the sense of immersion. Visitors feel as though they are not just observing the animals, but walking among them. The dense vegetation, winding paths, and hidden nooks all contribute to the feeling of being in the heart of a real rainforest. The Ocean's Edge, a home for the sea's wonders. The Ocean's Edge exhibit brings visitors into the depths of the oceans. The shimmering blue waters of the saltwater tanks are home to creatures that once roamed the deep, now cared for and respected by the park's staff. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the water, their shells glistening under the sunlight. Schools of fish swirl in a mesmerizing dance, moving in perfect harmony, while octopuses change color, blending into their surroundings with uncanny precision. In a special area of the park, visitors can even interact with rescued dolphins, who have been rehabilitated and now live peacefully in the park's expansive aquatic habitat. The dolphins have formed close bonds with their human caretakers, performing joyful leaps and spins in the water to the delight of onlookers. The Ocean's Edge is not just a spectacle, it's a lesson in conservation. The park uses this exhibit to educate visitors about the fragile state of our oceans, the importance of marine conservation, and how we can all help protect the creatures that call the sea home. The conservation effort, more than just a park at its core, the Living Treasure Animal Park is about more than just showcasing the beauty of wildlife. It is deeply committed to the conservation of endangered species and the restoration of habitats across the globe. The park runs various breeding programs, aiming to reintroduce species back into the wild where they are most needed. It partners with international conservation organizations, using the funds raised by ticket sales and donations to support wildlife protection efforts around the world. But it's not just about saving animals. The park also focuses on educating visitors, from schoolchildren to adults, about the importance of sustainable living, ethical treatment of animals, and preserving the natural world. Every corner of the park has educational displays, interactive exhibits, and knowledgeable guides ready to answer questions and share their passion for the planet. The Living Treasure Animal Park isn't just a place to observe wildlife. It's a place to be inspired, to learn, and to understand the vital role each species plays in the web of life. The Legacy, a future of hope. As the sun sets over the park, casting a golden glow over the land, there's a sense of peace that fills the air. The animals settle down for the night, their peaceful existence a reminder of what's possible when we work to protect and preserve the natural world. The Living Treasure Animal Park, with its commitment to conservation, education, and animal welfare, stands as a beacon of hope, a living treasure that reminds us all of the beauty, complexity, and fragility of life on Earth. In a world that sometimes feels lost, this park is a reminder that the wild, with all its beauty and wonder, still has a place to thrive. And as long as there are people willing to protect it, that treasure will endure for generations to come. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.